What's going on, YouTube? I just wanted to fishing today, fishing the Fox River again. I'm fishing with Outdoors TV. I'll leave his link for his YouTube channel and his Instagram in the description. We're just fishing for smallmouth or maybe some walleye. Pretty much anything that bites today. Just wanted to go over some kind of tips and tricks I use for river fishing. So the biggest one is always casting upstream, either straight upstream or kind of at like a 45-degree angle or so. It's just more of a natural presentation for the fish, and I feel like I get more hits and catch more fish when I cast upstream rather than downstream. Not saying you can't catch fish if you cast downstream, I just have had better luck fishing upstream, casting upstream. Another one, especially in the summer, you want to look for a shaded area. So earlier, when the sun was a little bit lower, this whole area was shaded. You can kind of see the shade right here, right now. There's Outdoorsman TV down there. We've each caught a smallmouth so far. Not sure if I got him on camera or not. His was about a 16-incher. Mine was a little dink, so he's throwing a bucktail, and I'm throwing this XPS laser blade bait. Stay tuned for more fish, all right? Oh, do I got him still? Nice little smallmouth in the creek.